Hello everyone. Have you ever faced a problem and thought like can't I just skip this level of life? But hey, let me tell you, solving problems is your brain's biggest superpower. And that's why I am going to explain you coolest proven age strategies to do that psychologists swear by. Strategy 1. Sub goals. Big goals seem scary, right? So the trick is to break down big goals into small wins or sub goals. So, for example, you want to be a doctor. So, your step one is to get an admission into medical college. Step two is to score well in your exams. And step three is to gain hospital experience. So, your every small win takes you a step closer to your big dream. Strategy 2. Working backwards. So sometimes the best way to solve a problem is to start from the finish line. Let's say you need 1 lakh rupees in 12 months. So work backwards. That is 8,300 per month and 275 a day. And that seems possible, right? This helps you change your perspective as well. Strategy 3. Analogies. So there's a saying that old solutions can solve new problems. This psychology example in which they state that a surgeon had to destroy a tumor without harming the healthy tissues. So what was his solution? It was to use low intensity rays from different directions so that they all combine only at the tumor. And this was inspired by a war general who split his army into small groups to attack from different directions. So it's the same logic but different situation is equals to problem solved. Strategy 4. Restructuring. This is when you suddenly see a problem differently. So like the classic 9-dot puzzle example. You're supposed to connect the 9 dots without lifting your pen. So most people fail to do so because they think that all the lines must stay inside the box. But the trick is to realize that you can extend beyond the box. Strategy 5. Insight. Have you ever had that sudden flash of genius idea while showering, walking? That's insight. It is when the solution just clicks. So, for example, you're thinking of a name but you cannot recall it, and then you give up. But suddenly at 2 a.m., it whispers in your brain. It's Divya. That's inside at work. So, how does it work? When you give a rest to the problem, you shift your focus from this problem and finding solution to something else. That's when your right brain takes it on itself to use its creativity and give you the insight. So maybe sometimes it's good to give a rest to the problem and focus on other things and let your right brain work and give you the insight. Strategy 6. Means and analysis. It's like a problem solving GPS. You look where you are at and then versus where you want to be. And you keep reducing the gap. So for example, planning a road trip. You are in Delhi and you want to go to Jaipur. You find out the checkpoints. So from Delhi, Gurgaon, Behror, Jaipur. And that's how you keep reducing the gap. Strategy 7. Trial and error. Sometimes you just gotta try different things until one works out. Think of it like solving a lock with different keys or learning how to bake. You keep messing up with ingredient measurements until it's finally edible. It's slow, but it works. Strategy 8. Algorithms. Algorithms are step by step procedures that you need to follow in order to get your answer or result. So it has guaranteed success, but again takes time and needs patience. For example, solving a math problem. You do a step by step procedure and you get your answer. Or Google Maps showing you directions exactly to your location. So it will take time and need patience, but you will get what you want. So next time you're stuck with any problem, try these strategies and don't just rely on your left brain. Also let your right brain use its creativity, because that's where the real magic happens. And if you want to practice these strategies before you actually apply them in real life, then you can check out our Instagram highlights for some interesting, fun questions, activities, and games. So if you enjoyed this video, you found it useful and interesting, do like, share, and subscribe to Fourth Eye Realities. Bye bye.